No, I mean, I had a great conversation with Ryan last week. Obviously, we've been in touch. You don't go from being friends and work colleagues and working together in a close environment to then not speaking. Of course, I'm going to speak to him, and he wants what's best for Wales, you know. So, yes, with regards to decisions and finalising things, that'll be me. But what Ryan has said, that, you know, if I need any advice or if I need a different perspective on things, then he's always going to be there. He wants what's best for Wales as well, you know. So it's great to hear that. But ultimately now the decisions moving forward will be from myself and Albert and Tony Strudwick and Tony Roberts and the collective as a group. We're all now looking forward to getting on camp in a couple of weeks. We've got the EFL camp to start with, and we've got to Portugal for a week's training camp, and then the tournament starts and we're into it, and the excitement building up to it now and around it is excellent. We've got a little bit more than the 26 that we can select. The players will be informed about that, and then it's the 1st of June then that the squad has to be announced by. I know Sean, the head of medical, is in close contact with all the clubs that the injured players are involved with, so we're on the front foot with it, and it's looking very positive with Joe, which is great. You know, we know what he brings to the team. Good news with Ben as well. You know, he's back on the grass, so yeah, all's positive there. And like I said, it'd be nice now when we meet up to get him back in our camp. Sean again is in contact with Tottenham, and looking forward to the plan that he's got to get him back up to full fitness and helping him achieve that. I've made a decision to bring Kit Symons back in. Kit's got a wealth of experience. He's been part of the 2016 success that they had with Chris, and I think it's a positive move for us, not only for the staff and the players who know him, but from us coaches that have not worked with him. But he just gives a different dynamic, and first and foremost, he's a good bloke, and to bring him back into this environment with that wealth of experience he's had in the tournament environment is definitely a positive.